her 13th.
Just let her blow
Well,
out.
just let her. It's her 13th birthday.
Let's do it 13 times.
And I screwed up.
13 blowing candles.
She didn't have like
We don't have to sing it again, do we?
Sure we do.
Yes.
You don't have to.
Well,
You don't have
Susie,
to.
you don't have to be
That
a
was a
part of it.
Megan was talking too much.
Yes, her hot air.
This is for Megan.
Susie doesn't have to be a part of it. Where's
Oh,
the
Megan, shut up.
Oh, hey,
Take two.
What are you mad about, Susan?
Take two,
Oh, you know what I
Megan.
did? I pressed the
Megan.
wrong button.
Megan, take two, baby.
Joking.
No.
Ready?
Yes, she
She
was.
does it all the time.
All right,
All right, ready?
get ready.
Megan, it's okay.
Happy
birthday to you.
Cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
Do it.
Oh.
Do it again.
Come on, kiddo.
She's laughing too much.
Woo!
Wow, that's too funny.
Happy birthday.